Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue in Phantom Wallet where it says not enough SOL. And by the way, Swissborg's got a cool sign-up bonus. You can go ahead and get up to $100 in rewards. Just gotta use the link below, either in the description or in the comments. Just click on it, scan the QR code, and they'll send you a reward card. Now going back, maybe you're trying to send, all right, or swap. Let's say you got Solana in here. Then we go ahead and hit on next. Let's say you'd like to send 10 SOL. As you can see here, it'll say insufficient balance. Also, when you only have 10 Solana in your account, and when you tap on next in here, most of the transaction needs a transaction fee. For example, you'd like to send 10 Solana, and there will be a transaction fee of 0.2 SOL. That is why you're getting this error. So what you'll need to do is just top up your Solana. Okay, you go ahead and buy SOL with your cash, or transfer from maybe Binance or other trading platforms. Okay, so basically it just means you don't have enough of the native token to pay for gas or network fees, just like what I've said earlier. Even if you have other tokens like USDC or USDT, they can't be used to cover the network fees. All right, and that is it. Just top up or transfer. Then once that's done, you're good to go. But I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.